Thank you, yeah. It might well be find somebody on the but I can do it as a regular slot, as long as I know and don't.
Yeah. Well, I've just got it this morning. Well, I've just seen it this morning.
I couldn't see you, I thought I'd lost you.
You thought I lost me? No. Where's Sam? Oh, Sam's there. Hello, Sam.
Hi, Rob. Better only be a practice.
Hey?
Better only be a practice.
Oh, don't worry, it's not like Richmond's. Right in the middle of a test, we get disturbed.
I know. It's a good job you haven't started that, isn't it?
Yes. Oh dear.
Yeah, you can.
Myerscough College. Fire alarm alert. The staff will check the control panel. The control panel will give the alert, so they'll look at that. Let's hope it just says someone's not.
Well,
Hey?
we've got to go. Come on then, let's move.
Visitors car park.
Please, guys. Make your way over there. Thank you. Follow this.
We've got Sam. Visitors car park's that way. I know the way. My mother picks me up from there every day.
I was taking a piss in the toilet, all of it took over the
Three, 6 weeks,